warm welcome and wonderful good morning to everyone. A nation that destroys its resources destroys itself. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. In this video, let us see few informations about environment.
Environment is defined as sum total of living, non-living components, influences and events surrounding an organism. Everything that surrounds and affects an individual during its lifetime is collectively known as environment. The relationship and interaction between environment and individuals are highly complex. It comprises both abiotic and biotic factors.
All the organisms are obligatory and are dependent on the other organisms for food, water, shelter, oxygen, and for other needs. So, environment plays a vital role in the life cycle as well as the food chain of an organism. Environment is not static. Both the abiotic and the biotic factors keep changing continuously. Ecology deals with the way in which the organisms are molded by their environment and how they make use of the environmental resources, including energy flow and mineral cycling.
Ecology. The ecosystem consists of plants, trees, animals, birds, fishes, microorganisms, soil, water, and people. Everything that lives in ecosystem is a part of ecological community that plays an important role in food chain. When the ecosystem is healthy, it means all the elements live in balance and are capable of reproducing themselves.
Natural ecosystem is classified into terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem include forest, grassland and desert. Aquatic ecosystem include freshwater, saline water and marine water. These ecosystems have the capacity to maintain their state of equilibrium. They can regulate the functional process and their species structure. This capacity and self-regulation is called homeostasis.
Ecosystem provides us fiber, food, fuel, shelter and building materials. It plays a major role in the purification of air and water. Ecosystem decomposes and detoxifies the waste. It stabilizes and moderates in earth climate. Ecosystem moderate temperature extremes, flood, drought and force of wind. It also help in the pollination of plants and control pests and disease.
Energy is a basic force responsible for all the metabolic activities. The flow of energy from producer to consumer is called energy flow. Energy flows in a unidirectional way. It flows from autotrophs to heterotrophs. Autotrophs include the green plants and they are the producers. And heterotrophs are classified into omnivorous, carnivorous and herbivorous and they are the consumers. The sequence of organisms that feed on one another constitute the food chain.
The major issue related to environment is pollution. The pollution is defined as an addition of excessive material to the physical environment, making it unfit for life. The pollutants are the substances which cause adverse effects on the natural quality of the environment. For example, smoke from industries and automobile, chemicals from factories, radioactive substances from nuclear power plants, sewage from houses, and discarded household materials are the common examples of pollution.
Conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity is fundamental to ecological sustainable development. Biodiversity is a part of our daily life and livelihood. It constitutes resources upon which families, communities, and nations and future generations depend upon. Rapid environmental changes typically causes mass extinction. So the different varieties of plants and animals that live on land and ocean should be protected. Several NGOs along with the forest department work on the conservation of wildlife and biodiversity. Awareness should be created among the people to protect and save the environment. It will improve the environmental quality.
Climate change. The change of climate attributed directly or indirectly by human activity that alters the global atmosphere, and in addition the natural climate variability observed over comparable time period. Human beings caused climate change by burning large amount of fossil fuels, which subsequently causes deforestation.
Global warming is the average increase in the temperature of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface and in the troposphere. Global warming can occur due to a variety of reasons, which can be either natural or human induced. Global warming often refers to the warming that is caused due to increase in the emission of greenhouse gases from human activities.
Let's plant a tree together. Come, let's plant a tree together. Come, let's plant a tree
today. Let's water, 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 water them every day. Throw your waste in the garbage bin, my darling. Throw your waste. Throw your waste.
All the organism has rights to live in this earth. We humans, we should save our environment and protect the biodiversity. I request everyone to save our planet as we save ourselves. Let us take pledge to keep our environment safe, clean and healthy.
Mother Earth, Mother Earth.